Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Libras. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Libras. And I have a fairy story pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. So that will follow this reading, Libras. So let's start with the general energy. So we have 7 of cups, 10 of pentacles, and page of pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, Libras, you have that happiness, contentment today, that emotional satisfaction, and things are going well in your career or personal life, and you're dreaming about your future, maybe dreaming what you need to do in future. And in your work situation, you are reaping great results, maybe fortunate results are there in your work, and you're happy, you have that emotional satisfaction, you're enjoying success, and you're dreaming your future. Maybe you have few fantasies for yourself or the goals you need to reach in life. You are planning that today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are spending on expensive things. Maybe you are spending to renovate your house, or you're buying gifts for people, or some kind of expensive items you are buying, maybe gadgets or jewelry, something which gives you happiness. So you are buying for others or for yourself, and you're enjoying, you're well settled in life. In your connection, maybe you have this person you love, and you are for some of you, you are planning your trip somewhere, or planning to take this person on a surprise tour or a travel, maybe for some days. So, or you are planning to visit them, surprise visit them and gift them, guys. And you are really happy, enjoying this day, guys. Emotional satisfaction, that is what I see. And let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have the Fool in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. Maybe this person you love, they may feel that you are neglecting them or avoiding them in some ways, or you may feel that way about them. But in truth, they are actually planning something for you, guys. So they are not avoiding you, they are taking time, maybe planning to propose to you. So they are planning maybe to take you on a trip or some kind of a gift, maybe. So they are behaving as if they are not talking to you, and they are neglecting you in some ways. So, or maybe for some of you, this person is not serious enough with this connection, with this love. Maybe they have to first do well in their career situation, then they are planning to take the next step for this love. So that again may be the reason they are waiting, taking time to make that next step in this love, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have this card, and it is Temperance. So with this card, guys, it just means that you have that balance, harmony in your situation, peace of mind. So all things are going well in your situation, guys. Libras, in your career and personal life, you are having that peace, joy, happiness, and you are simply going to be you are simply successful and you're enjoying success. That is what I see in these cards, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card fairy tale reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today it is going to be like a pick a card, and it is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may point out to your situation or answer some questions you have in your mind or some confusion. So you need to just close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. This is your second card. So I will start after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, the first card. So let's see. It is Rapunzel, Liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy, we all know the story, guys, story of Rapunzel. So it stands for liberation, freedom. So in your situation, whenever we get this card in a reading, it just means that you are feeling trapped in something, some situation or some circumstance. You are unable to make some decision, and you are trying to isolate yourself. Maybe you are avoiding people literally, or you are trying to isolate yourself maybe for some reasons, and maybe you are not able to make your own choices, or someone is making those choices for you, and or someone maybe one person is influencing you, and you need fresh ideas, fresh inputs today, and maybe something is troubling you in your situation, guys, and you're trying to escape, or you're escaping from your situation, not ready to face your circumstance, maybe, guys, and you are having some negative thought patterns today, maybe in this love, maybe in this connection, and you feel you cannot leave this person, or maybe for some reasons you have, maybe it may be fear or something is blocking you from leaving them. You want to leave them, you want freshness in your life, or you want something else, but you are unable to make that decision today, guys, because something is blocking you. But in truth, it is in your own hands, guys. Your freedom is in your own hands, so you are free to make your own choices today, guys. So whatever you have in your mind, you can, or whatever you wish for, you can go with it if you have that strength and determination. And maybe for some of you, you have decided on some things, and but you're not, you have some inhibition to step into action. Maybe that time of waiting is over today, guys, and you are going to see your situation with a new perspective, and you are going to free yourself from the negative thoughts that you are having about your love or about your situation. And maybe for some of you, you have some fears or some negative memories because of your past, and that is what is holding you back today. But it is time you overcome all that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the second card. The Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So this is your second card, guys. And the energy with this card is that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are sacrificing too much for this love, guys, or for this connection, for this person. Maybe you are doing so much, facing lot of trials, risking so much to belong to this person. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to change yourself so much. It may be even a physical kind of change through surgery, or you're making changes to your appearance, maybe to make you more appealing, make you more lovable. But you need to understand that pain and self-sacrifice will not lead you to an happy ending, guys. You have to have that, you have to love your true self, whatever you are. You should not be try to be something which you are not, guys. That will only take you towards more pain and suffering in life. So maybe you are desiring something and you want to do certain things which you are not, but only if you are true to your self, whatever you are honestly, only then it will give you peace of mind and happiness. And if you are trying to be something which you are not, it is not going to give you happiness, guys. So that is what this card is about. And you should stay away from relationships which demands too much from you, too much sacrifice, or it means it is something unbearable for you to make so much sacrifice or do so much for this love, for to be with this person. And you are unique in your own way, and you are precious in your own way, and the right person who will appreciate that will love you. So you need not worry, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So if you are in a situation where you have to pay too much for this love, you need to think twice, guys, before going in deep with that connection. So that is a reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.